there, which is going to cut down on the amount of blood loss we have. And I'll stitch him back up there. Perfect. And then onto the back, I need to know how, just take a look at how close it is to the spine, or whether we're just got a bullet in the back.
Doctor, good shit.
Okay, and I'm just gonna check to see, he was also shot in the back, so I need to know how close it is to his spine, or whether it's just generally in the back.
Oh, no, I'm sure it's generally in the back.
Well, I gotta just take a look and see what's going on here.
I'm sure, Doctor, it's just generally in the back, it's not near the spine.
I gotta take a look at what I see on the patient, yeah.
Take a deep look,